Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to unlock a Libyana router. This is a pocket Wi-Fi device. We will unlock it so that it can work on all networks worldwide. To unlock it, watch the complete video till the end. If you want to use all your preferred networks on your router, this video can be very helpful to you. If you want to save your time, this video will be the best for you. Model number E5577-321. With software version 11.0.2.2 H697SP106983. This is a latest security V5 router. Friends, we provide an online service, and one of our friends took our number from YouTube and requested us to unlock this router. He said he took his router to many markets, but it couldn't be unlocked anywhere. So he searched on YouTube last, found our number, and now we are connecting remotely via AnyDesk to unlock this router. We will show you with complete proof that we unlock this router so that it can work on all networks worldwide. We will unlock this router without physically opening it. Right now, you can see the test point here. By connecting to this test point, we have attached our router to the computer. Now we will perform software flashing to decrypt this router. The software flashing will take a little time, so we will wait here briefly. Friends, if you also have a similar router or any device, such as a pocket router or Wi-Fi modem that you would like to unlock, you can contact us and get your work done in the same way. To clarify, in order to avail online services, it is necessary that you have a laptop or computer with an internet connection. Using AnyDesk, TeamViewer, or UltraViewer, you can unlock your router, modem, or Wi-Fi device online without any hassle. We have reasonable charges that you can easily pay. Our contact number is displayed on the screen, +92315686666. Please contact us on WhatsApp and from the comfort of your home, get any router, pocket Wi-Fi device, or modem unlocked. I hope you like our services. We always strive to provide our customers with good, high quality, and guaranteed service. Our router has been successfully unlocked. You can now see on the screen that this is the same router which was previously showing a network status lock. Now it is supporting the SIM card. The 4G LTE network is working. The 4G signals are coming in. Now this router can be used on all networks in all countries without any hassle. I hope you liked our video. If you also want to get information about new updated software, then subscribe to our channel to stay updated in the world of 4G and 5G. Press the bell icon to keep up with the updates. You will learn a lot here. We'll meet again on another new topic. Until then, I take your leave. Please remember me in your prayers and take great care of yourself.